Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you my new car charger. So this is for charging my cell phone. So it just came from Amazon the other day. It's a model C13 and it's really compact. So here it is. It's by Lihan. It's got a Type C, so my old one didn't have Type C, so that's why I upgraded. Um, so right over here it's got the Type C port and it's got the USB 3.0 for super fast charging, 27 watts. So the cool thing about this, it's got these two pull rings over here. So when it sits flat, it's nice and flush, but then you can pull it out. So let me just show you how that works. So I'm going to go over here. It's a little hard to see, but we're going to push it in. And you see how it sits nice and flush for like kind of like a built-in look. But when you want to take it out, you just lift the rings. See, just trying to do it so you can see. It really just takes a second, but let's see how I'm holding them up, and then you just grab them and you can pull it out. So it gives it a very clean look, a very finished look. It's got fast charging, in a really compact size, and it just works well. So thanks for watching my unboxing slash demo of the Lihan Model C13 car charger.